The need to prioritize adequate data in addressing issues of housing development was the fulcrum of a one-day seminar held in Asaba for stakeholders in planning and housing development. Eunice Emeyazia reports.
As world economies become digitally inclined, the importance of adequate data in policy formulation, service delivery, organizational management, and innovation has over time been emphasized. Hence, the state government has moved beyond information gathering to giving priority to effective data in its effort to digitally transform the public sector. To demystify the complexity of data infrastructure, the Office of the Special Advisor to the Governor on Housing Development, in conjunction with the Directorate of Establishment and Pensions, organized a seminar to enlighten public sector staff on how to build simple working data gathering framework from low level up. The participants, drawn from government ministries, departments and agencies, were also educated on how they could effectively manage the complexity of data from various government services. Declaring the seminar open, the State Head of Service, Mr. Reginald Bayoko, commended the Special Advisor to the Governor on Housing Development, Mr. Ebikeme Clark, for the opportunity for participants to reflect on their roles in helping government address its housing challenges. Mr. Bayoko commended Governor Fanyo Kowa for providing comfortable office accommodation for civil servants, especially the State Modern Secretariat and the junior staff quarters, which allowed civil servants resident there to own their houses, as well as approvals for housing loans.
I want to underscore the significance of comprehensive collation and management of data for planning, pre-construction, construction, and post-construction in the housing and property development section. A data-driven public sector, as highlighted by the Special Advisor in his earlier remark, is favorable to policy formulation as well as effective and efficient service delivery.
Commissioner for Housing, Mr. Festus Ochonogo, said the state government was into public-private partnership in providing comfortable housing with a suitable payment plan, adding, however, that government had population explosion and rising cost of building materials to contend with, which is slowing down the process. Mr. Ochonogo said the seminar was apt as proper data analysis would enable government plan better.
We started recently development of 150 units in 3 locations, Owoyibo, Kwale, and Ozoro. 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom. That is a starting point. That one has gone far, and I know by April, May, before this government will round up, those 50 units will be ready.
In his remarks, Mr. Ebikeme Clark said the seminar was in line with Governor Kowa's mantra of finishing strong, adding that it would enlighten the participants on novel ways of doing things in the property sector. Mr. Clark assured the people of government's commitment to their welfare.
The government has done so much in terms of housing. The existing houses in the state, across the state, but we don't know about them, no data about them. We can't plan. Hence this seminar.
Some of the participants, including Mrs. Doris Vijako and Mrs. Nelly Okbabovie, expressed satisfaction with the training.
Thank His Excellency, the Governor of Delta State, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, for tirelessly always wanting to train the civil servants.
He has done so much for the civil servants. We can say kudos to him.
Seasoned resource persons in housing and property development educated the participants on 3 interrelated topics: benefits, opportunities, and insights of property management from a public sector perspective, exploring data-driven public sector, and navigating the new frontier. Eunice Emeyazia reporting.